In this video, I want to show you how to automatically reboot to safe mode. Useful for situations like when you're doing your malware routines through malware auto mode. Now you know through the reboot menu up at the top, you can reboot to safe mode or safe mode with networking, command prompt only. Or you can run boot safe, which is my external utility, which does the same stuff. The reason why boot safe is in here, it does have a remove modifications button, just in case you need to use that for some reason. That will remove the setting that forces it to boot to safe mode. Okay, well, what I really wanted to show you in this video was that you can do this with a custom app. I have actually several things here. So we'll just go to all functions, type in reboot. Now we have a number of functions here. What I'm looking for is we have a standard reboot. We have a reboot to safe mode with command prompt, with networking, and regular safe mode. So you can say, add this reboot to safe mode with networking to your malware routine. And if you wanted to have it reboot to safe mode before running a particular scan. Of course, note that it will, if you choose to reboot again, you can insert a reboot here, and then that'll put it back, and then that'll put it back to normal mode. So your safe mode here, then your reboot here puts it back to normal mode because this is just a standard reboot. What you can do, however, in the malware section, we also have a safe mode with net mod. Now what that's going to do is when you use this, it will actually keep you in safe mode indefinitely. It will keep you in safe mode until you remove the modifications. So even this reboot will put you back in safe mode again. So what we want to do at the end is use the remove safe mode with net mod. If you don't run the remove safe mode with net mod, your machine will boot to safe mode continuously. Little known trick about booting to safe mode in D7. There are some services that can be deleted by malware that will keep the system from loading safe mode. It will usually blue screen. What we can do is run a repair each time before you go to safe mode. That's actually a built-in function in D7. It's done automatically for you behind the scenes. So when you run the safe mode with networking mod, it will repair those services first and then put you in safe mode, just to ensure that you're actually going to get there and not get stuck in a reboot loop. If, for example, you were to not repair those services and malware had damaged safe mode, you would get stuck in a reboot loop and you would actually have to go into an offline environment like from Windows boot CD and then modify the BCD to allow you back into normal mode, removing the safe mode entries. That's a topic for another time, but you should never have to do that. Okay, so now we have our safe mode with net mod and our remove safe mode with net mod. And don't forget, you can always run boot safe to remove these modifications at any time. Thanks for watching.